Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Shamsul Bahri. I'm from the third year BITE. Okay, today I would like to present my 3D game development, which is Find Way Home from the Iceberg. Okay, let's go. The title of the game is Find Way Home from the Iceberg. Introduction. The game idea was from movie Maze Runner. Second one, the objective of this game is finding way out from the maze. The player need to collect orbs in order to find way out. Storyline is Tanjiro is a boy who lost in the middle of the iceberg. He lost his family and he need to find way out. In the middle of finding way out, he found shining particles that show him a path to get way out. Let's help Tanjiro to find way out from the iceberg. Okay. The gameplay is player controls the character between the platform. Second one, player can jump and freely moves. Player need to collect all orbs to complete the level. The objective is to hone the player thinking skills, to study the effectiveness of the puzzle, and third one, to evaluate the usability of the game mechanics. Scope, the target audience for students 8 years and above. Software use, Unity, 3D and Blender. Okay, the conclusion from this game, I learned the mechanic of 3D platform on Unity. Second one, understand the usability in Unity 3D. The third one is enlarge my knowledge on game programming. Okay, that's all. Thank you for the slide. Okay, let's go to see the game demo. Okay, this is a simple main menu that I create before I change it to the real one. Next, so there is a function of options menu where we can change the volume using slider. Okay, and we can go back and play. Okay, this is Tanjiro, which is the lost boy. So that is the shiny orbs or shining particles that he need to follow to find way out. At the top right corner, we can see how many remaining orbs that he need to collect. So when he collect, the orbs is decreasing. 5 more orbs he need to follow. So this game player need to figure out where is the find the true way out. The maze is a bit confusing, but there is a shiny particle that will show you, but sometimes it shows to the wrong way and you need to figure out more. So when you find a way, sometimes you can get lost and you need to find the real way out. For now, I can't even find the way out. Okay, one more orb left. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's all for the demo version. Thank you.